Your channel icon and banner are key elements of your YouTube branding. They create a professional first impression, convey your channel's purpose, and help build brand recognition. Here's why they matter and how to create them effectively. The channel icon is the small image that represents your channel across YouTube, including next to your videos and comments. Think of it as your profile picture or logo. The banner is the large image displayed at the top of your YouTube channel, often referred to as the channel art. It communicates your content focus, schedule, and brand personality. These visuals are the first things viewers see when they visit your channel. A polished design builds trust and interest. Consistent branding across your icon, banner, and thumbnails helps viewers remember and recognize your channel. A clear and attractive banner communicates your niche and upload schedule, encouraging viewers to subscribe. Professional branding can improve viewer retention and click-through rates, indirectly boosting your channel's performance in the YouTube algorithm. Strong visuals help you stand out in a competitive landscape. How to create a YouTube channel icon. Use your logo, a professional photo, or a symbol that reflects your content niche. For example, if your channel focuses on exercise, use a sleek design with a simple modern dumbbell, yoga pose silhouette, or a running figure. Design your icon at 800 by 800 pixels. It appears as a circle, so avoid putting important details in the corners. Use a consistent color palette that aligns with your banner and thumbnails. Avoid clutter. The design should look sharp and recognizable even when scaled down. How to create a YouTube channel banner. Design your banner at 2560 by 1440 pixels. To ensure it looks good on all devices, focus your content in the safe area, which is 1546 by 423 pixels. Include your channel name, tagline, or focus. For example, for my Tube Savvy channel banner, I use the tagline, "Discover the secrets of growing on YouTube." Encourage viewer engagement with phrases like, "Subscribe now for new videos every week," or "Join our community." Use the same fonts, colors, and themes as your icon and thumbnails for a cohesive look. Platforms like Canva, Adobe Express, or Photoshop offer templates for YouTube banners that save time and create professional, eye-catching designs tailored to your channel's needs. By creating a professional YouTube channel icon and banner, you establish credibility, attract your target audience, and set the stage for channel growth. Watch this next video for tips on choosing the best name for your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.